Good morning, traders. It's Rob from the Sentimental Forex Trader again. All right, it is the morning of Sunday. It is 6 a.m. GMT time. Okay, you can see I've got a chart on here. So trading with sentiment. So the sentiment of the larger institutions, market makers, hedge funds, banks. That's what we do, and they are what moves the actual, these big moves here that you can see. Okay, so we're going to go over that. I'm also going to explain the retail traders and how they come into this whole formula. So the market makers, the institutions are there's two parts there too, which can also contribute to this. Funny enough, to this choppiness in the actual uh, the pair. So there you've got a nice down. This is a perfect example. You've got a nice, there you can see there was institutional buying, there you've got institutional selling, but also this choppiness here. Obviously, this is a downtrend. The choppiness is also, so large spectators, this from there to there would be large spectator, that's them selling off. And you've also got some hedging, which is opposite to funny enough, is opposite to the speculators. So the speculators will trade the trend, and the hedge funds will be opposite to that. So, all right. So this is why it's a very carefully selected, combination of factors that go into this, this logical formula, if you will. Okay. So I'm just going to take two examples. Okay, I've got my sheets open already. These, by the way, traders are on my website. They're available on the website. Obviously, if you want access to the rest of this table, you can see the stars there. And there, I've just opened up the two. So those two I'm going to do this morning. These stars are, if you subscribe to me and my channel, like the YouTube channel, this I will make freely available, and it'll be sent to you every day. So, guys, the commitment of traders is done. The data comes out. It's actually compiled on the Tuesday. It comes out on the Tuesday, sorry, and it's compiled on the Friday and made public on the Friday. So your commitment of traders is your institutions here that I'm talking about. Okay, the rest. So this is all. So it could be buy, and these are 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So you can see exactly from this, you can see exactly where this pair is headed. So on here, for example, which we're going to go over now, the GBP, the Great British Pound, Aussie dollar, you've got 4 cells there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's your 3 months projection. That's your 6 months projection, 12 months. So guys, you know exactly where this is going, and this is already this sheet here has already factored in the speculators as well as the hedge funds. So the hedging and the speculators. Okay, so what you see here is where that pair is going. Would you love to know where a pair is headed? And that's what everyone wants to know: is this pair is headed up or it's headed down? That's what everyone wants to know. Obviously, on the way up, you've got that choppiness, and that, like I said, is retail traders that contribute to that, and the hedging, the other side of this. So we're going to quickly go over the GBP AUD. This is just examples so that you can see, and this is a real example. So we do have actual cells, as of Sunday, the 8th of September. Okay, so let's go to the GB Great British Pound, Aussie dollar. All right, so as you can see, okay, just on visual inspection, there's a clear upward trend, long-term upward trend. Okay, then you've got at the end of this is what I'm looking at. So there's a little buy there, and then a little dip, and then quite a big move up, and then down again, and then another fairly strong candles going up. So, all right, so let's look at. Okay, so we've got it doesn't make sense. We've got 4 cells here. you know, from today until a year from now. So, all right, so let's try and figure out why this is gone. This is going up. Okay, and these big moves up. So what's going to happen here is this is going to move. This is going to this is a liquidity thing, and they're picking up liquidity, and I'll show you why that is. Okay, so we're going to go to the retail, Great British Pound, Aussie dollar. You've got sells there. Okay, so it's 0, -1, -1, -2s. Okay, so it's all stayed pretty much the same there. Okay, so this is negative. So this means that all of the retail traders, and for weeks, this is a number of weeks, guys. So 31st of August, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th of September. This is for, the last dates for a week. So the retail traders were, that was neutral. Then you had negative ones, and they've turned negative two. So they're very confident. Retail traders are very confident this is going to move down. So is it moving down? Maybe it was this portion here that initiated that whole response from the traders, and now it's gone against them. And why has it gone against them? Because it's picking up liquidity. So it is going in the opposite direction now of the retail traders. But what's going to happen is going to go up, and then it's going to then when the retail traders start selling off, they start buying at this point because they think it's going to go up. What's going to happen is this is going to start moving down because you've got all of those lovely cells here. So we know that it's very easy to see that this then it's moving against the retail, and then it'll start moving down. So that's the Great British Pound, Aussie dollar. So a clear sell signal there. And this, guys, if you look at this, you want to time this, and retail is the timing part, very much timing, because this has gone against retail. Let's say on Monday or tomorrow it goes up to there, picks up a bit of liquidity from there, and it goes at the same time goes against the retail traders. It goes to there, and then it starts dropping. Okay, so you want to, or up to here, for example. It could even go that high, and then it starts dropping. So the longer term is going to be trending down, but you want to enter your trade somewhere around here, somewhere, and that's what I'm guessing that you would enter in the next few days up here once it's taken out that liquidity. All right, so guys, it is how it is. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next one, NZD CAD. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's pull up the chart. And I use RC markets. Okay, so now we can see a bit of a difference. So pretty much ranging here. I think it's going to break out of that range. So the latest, okay, you've got downtrend there and then uptrend. And at the very end here, you've got a little dip. Okay, we're going to go back to our sheets here. Okay, so the retail on that one, let's have a look. The retail okay is -2, -1 there, -1, but it's holding at -2s. Okay, so we have what we've got here for NZD CAD is an immediate sell. Now that's in short term sell. I wouldn't go on the sell entirely. We'd rather see what that sell. We'd rather see what the retail trader is doing, and then the rest is buy. So now this is going to move up. Okay, so it's a sell and then 3 buys to a year. Okay. All right. What do we say the retail traders are doing? They all selling. Okay. So this could be this little part here. That could be. Remember, this is a week, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 worth of days. So yes, that could be the 6 days of the retail traders. that could be that sell there that's come into play. I think it could go a little bit further down, pick up some liquidity here, perhaps this liquidity, so it could move down. It could go up from here. This could just be a small little relief, and then it's going to move back up, because you know now that the institutions are positioned for buys. So you know that this is going up. It's just a case of when. So retail at -2. So let's see how this is moving against the retail traders. That big candle there, this one here, is probably a move to take out the retail traders. So it might go down, because now so that move there, I think that big candle was just to pick up some liquidity, very short term. So it was literally this liquidity here, and then it'll move down a bit, or up, or it'll go up against the retail traders. That's probably more likely. So they're all -2s. So there is a good chance it goes up. So guys, I did do a video on the NZD CAD, a quick short, but that is one to look out for. So this is going up. There's a bit of a range here. So it was trending down, strong trend down. It's ranging now from there to there. It's trading within a range. It's actually broken out there a little bit, and here it's also broken out. And I would say this is going to go up. It has to go up. So, guys, please subscribe. I've got a form on the website. You just get in contact with me, and yeah, this will change your trading results. It takes a little bit longer for trades. It'll take a week or 2 or 3 maybe, but you've got big moves like this that you are profiting from, because you're trading in harmony with the institutions. So and that the institutions is 3 months to 12 months, 2-year term. They've when they do a move like this, like that, or they do a move from here up to there, or they do even a small move from here to there, there's a lot of homework and a lot of research has been done before they do that. So they're not just just going blindly into this with let's just trade up, let's just buy, and we're going to get it to a price that they've done at this level here. They've already done a massive load of research, and even more so, moves like this. So this is a huge move down. So at this point here, there, and this is probably where it is. There's a bit of consolidation here. That's where they were collecting orders, and then all of a sudden it went steadily down. So, and then this went up. That was also a strategic move. But this is big money that's moving these this pair. You can just see it. There's a huge move there, huge move behind that, down, and here's another huge move down. So that's the institutions, guys. The retail does play a part, and the retail is timing. So if we've got, like I said, we've got -2s all over here, what does the institution want to do? They want to go against that to take out the retail. They want to pick up the liquidity and then move up on this one. So that's a buy. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Guys, please go onto my website. It's a Sentimental Forex Trader. As you can see, the link is on YouTube. Please go ahead and subscribe. You can get in touch with me using my form at the bottom here. Please subscribe to my videos, my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you soon.